Ha ha! I be Captain Stevie, and this here's Captain Stevie's Whiz Band. Ha ha! Today we're going to learn the song Cool and the Big Bad Wolf. Here we go. This song is hot as a furnace. I'm feeling cool. The sun's got spots that'll burn us. I'm feeling cool. Oh yeah, I know the rule. The big bad wolf, he's learned the rule. You gotta get hot to play real cool. Oh yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Uh-huh. Oh yeah. Sa-ba-da-ba-dee-ba-bow. Ba-ba-bow. I'm going to teach you now to play the song Cool and the Big Bad Wolf. Now, here we go. I'm going to play it first and you just listen. Here we go. First, just me. There you go. Now, I'm going to show you the notes. All right. First, we got 3 fingers down. That's a C as in cream. And then we got a B flat. Aye. So, the first part of the song is only these 2 notes. C as in cream, B flat as in butter flat. Aye. Okay, so practice playing these notes. And you might go back and forth. Now, start each note with your tongue. Here is your tongue in your mouth. And the middle of your tongue touches the end of the reed. All right? Ta, 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 ta. Such and such. Aye. Oh, by the way, this program is brought to you by Flying Monkeys, Flying Monkeys. All right, now let's get to the song. So, the first part, and you use your tongue on the reed. Middle of your tongue touches the end of the reed. Okay, and we're going to have your thumbs down in the back on the hole, right? 1, 2, 3 fingers down for a C. And using your tongue on the reed, you're going to play. All right, your turn. First me play, then you play. All right, here we go. Me. And you. Aye, very nice. Very nice. Okay, now, the next part, we play D, 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 D. So we do C and B flat. D, 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 D. Like this. Just me. Now you try. Ready and go. D, 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 D. Aye, that's it. Now, the whole first part of the song is first me. Now you try. Ready and go. D, 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 D. That's it. Aye. Now, then, after we play D, 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 we go D, 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 thus so. You try. Ready and go. D, 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 D. Okay, now, the whole first part of the song, we're going to play like this. First me, and then you're going to do it. Okay, here we go. Ready, first me. Now ready and go. D, 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 D. Now, if you must, pause the video and go back and you try it. Keep trying till you get it, and then turn the video back on. Okay? Okay. Go ahead. See? I'm still here. No. We're going to play that same phrase twice. That's the first part of the song. Now, first me. You play along with me now. You and I. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, ready, and go. And then we do it again. Squeak! All right, if you squeak, it's okay. It's okay if we squeak. All right, so you do that first part of the song twice, and then we have the ending. Ending goes like this. It's a D as in daiji, a C as in cream, and then the very last note is not a B flat, which is this pointer finger down. It's a B, which is middle finger down. So the end of the song goes like this. Start on D, then C, then B. So it goes. Squeak. That's better. Okay. Now, I'm going to do it again, and then ye are going to try. All right? Me, then ye. Here we go. All right, now, for the video, I hold my fingers up very high to show you different fingerings. Otherwise, you couldn't see what I'm doing. But when you play, really, your fingers should be very close, just above the hole when they're not pressing down. All right, now, okay. Let's do it with me, do the whole, the second part, the last part of the song, correct? Starting on D for daiji, C for cream, and B for butter. All right, here we go. End of the song. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, now we can play the whole song. First me, listen to me, and then you can play it with me. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, just me. And then we do it again. Here's the ending now. There we go. Okay, yeah, play it with me now. Here we go. Ready and go. Do it again. And here's the ending now. There we go. Now, let's get the band to play it. And ye and me, we're going to play along with the band. And we're going to play it 2 times through, and then I'm going to improvise and then sing cool, and then the big bad wolf. And after I sing the big bad wolf part, then ye play it with me 1 more time. All right? Okay. Here we go. This song is hot as a furnace. I'm feeling cool. The sun's got spots that'll burn us. I'm feeling cool. Oh yeah, I know the rule. The big bad wolf, he's learned the rule. You gotta get hot to play real cool. Oh yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Uh-huh. Oh yeah. So ba da ba dee ba bow. Ba ba bow.